Hello everyone. Seeing a blinking red light on your Victrola record player, don't worry, I show you a quick troubleshooting steps to fix it and get your turntable back to normal. Let's get started. Check the power cord to ensure it's securely plugged into both the wall outlet and the record player. Test the wall socket with another device to confirm it is working correctly. Use only the original or manufacturer recommended power adapter. Why Victrola record player blinking red light power supply issues ensure the power cord is securely plugged into both the wall outlet and the record player. The wall socket might not be working. Fix 1. Check the power supply. Ensure the record player is properly plugged into a working outlet and that the power adapter is correctly connected. Ensure the power cord is securely plugged into both the wall outlet and the record player. Test the wall socket by plugging in another device to confirm it works. If using surge protector, try plugging the player directly into the wall. Use only the original or manufacturer recommended power adapter to ensure the correct voltage, which is 5 volt or 9 volt depending on your model. If the player is new, request a replacement power supply from the manufacturer as the adapter may be faulty. Fix 2. Maintaining the right speed knob. The correct speed settings ensure the motor spins the platter at the speed needed for the record. For vintage wind-up model, there's a silver dial typically located at the 7 o'clock position bottom right that controls the speed. For modern electric models, a speed knob allows you to select the appropriate speed for your record like 33 1 by 345 or 78 RPM. Fix 3. Test the motor. Listening for the motor can help diagnose if it's running at all. If it's silent, there may be a power or a motor issue. If it's running but the platter isn't spinning, the problem is likely the belt. If the belt is intact but the platter still doesn't spin, listen for the motor running. Place your head above the spin area and listen for any vibration and sound. If the motor is silent or not functioning, you may need to repair or replace the motor. Fix 4. Try reset the recorder. Resetting the record player can resolve electronic glitches that might prevent the motor from spinning. Press and hold the illuminated knob on your turntable for 15 seconds. The knob will flash red during the reset process. Fix 5. Set the correct mode. Make sure the player is set to phono mode, not Bluetooth or aux. The platter will not spin in input modes other than phono. Some Victrola models have an auto stop switch. Try turning this feature off sometimes. The platter won't spin unless auto stop is disabled. Seek professional help. If the player is new, request a replacement from the manufacturer as the included power supply may be faulty or you can seek professional advice. Contact Victrola customer support at 877-483-2497 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. ET or a qualified technician and provide the required details for further diagnosis and repair. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.